dive into the sonic world of Kelela, a journey through her musical innovations and timeless hits. Ever wonder how Kelela's ethereal voice transformed the R&B landscape? Her seamless blend of genres and evocative melodies have captivated listeners worldwide. Let's dive into Kelela's musical journey and uncover the magic behind her groundbreaking sound. Meet Kelela, the enigmatic R&B singer who's been breaking boundaries since her debut. With her mesmerizing voice and innovative approach, Kelela has carved out a unique space in the music industry, captivating fans and critics alike. Born in Washington, D.C., Kelela's multicultural upbringing shaped her unique sound. Influenced by her Ethiopian heritage and diverse musical environment, she developed a distinct style that blends traditional and contemporary elements, setting her apart from her peers. From Ethiopian Jazz to 90s R&B, Kelela's eclectic influences inspire her music. These varied sounds merge seamlessly in her work, creating rich, layered compositions that resonate deeply with listeners. Her ability to draw from such diverse sources is truly remarkable. Learn how Kelela's 2013 mixtape Cut For Me catapulted her into the spotlight. This groundbreaking project showcased her innovative blend of R&B and electronica, earning her critical acclaim and a dedicated fan base, and marking the beginning of her influential career. Kelela's unique sound is a mesmerizing blend of electronica, R&B, and soul, creating an otherworldly musical experience. Her ethereal voice seamlessly weaves through intricate electronic beats, delivering a soundscape that is both innovative and deeply emotional. Collaborations with visionary producers like Arca and Bok have been instrumental in crafting Kelela's signature style. These partnerships bring out the best of her artistry, merging cutting-edge production with her soulful vocals to create groundbreaking tracks. Kelela's debut album, Take Me Apart, received critical acclaim for its bold, experimental approach. The album showcases her ability to push boundaries while maintaining an intimate, relatable core. Each track offers a fresh perspective on contemporary R&B. Reliving Kelela's greatest hits, songs like Rewind and LMK stand out for their infectious beats and captivating lyrics. These tracks not only highlight her vocal prowess, but also her talent for creating music that resonates deeply with listeners. Kelela's striking visual aesthetic is an integral part of her artistic identity. Her music videos and artwork are meticulously crafted, enhancing the emotional impact of her songs. This visual storytelling complements her music, creating a holistic artistic experience. Kelela's innovative sound is redefining contemporary R&B by seamlessly merging electronica, soul, and R&B into a captivating genre-blending experience. Her unique approach challenges traditional boundaries, offering listeners a fresh perspective on what modern R&B can be. Experiencing Kelela live is electrifying. Her powerful stage presence and ethereal voice create an unforgettable atmosphere. Fans are often left in awe, captivated by her dynamic performances that breathe new life into her studio recordings. Fans adore Kelela for her authenticity and emotional depth. Her music resonates deeply, creating a strong connection with her audience. Listeners frequently praise her for the genuine, heartfelt stories she shares through her lyrics and melodies. Kelela has received numerous accolades and widespread recognition for her contributions to music. Critics and industry professionals alike have lauded her groundbreaking work, further solidifying her status as a trailblazer in the R&B genre. Delving into Kelela's lyrics reveals rich storytelling and profound emotional depth. Her songs often explore themes of love, identity, and empowerment, inviting listeners to reflect on their own experiences and connect with her on a deeply personal level. Kelela's influence on the music industry extends beyond her innovative sound, as she advocates for marginalized communities. She uses her platform to highlight issues of racial and gender inequality, inspiring change and empowering her listeners through both her music and activism. Kelela's music videos are a testament to her artistry, blending striking visuals with powerful narratives. They complement her songs beautifully, creating a sensory experience that captivates viewers and adds depth to her already compelling musical storytelling. Behind the scenes, Kelela meticulously crafts her music, collaborating closely with producers and designers. This hands-on approach ensures her vision is realized, resulting in a body of work that is both authentic and groundbreaking, resonating deeply with fans and critics alike. Kelela's collaborations with other artists, such as Solange and Gorillaz, showcase her versatility and ability to blend seamlessly with different musical styles. These partnerships not only expand her artistic horizons, but also introduce her to new audiences, broadening her impact. The future looks promising for Kelela as she continues to innovate and evolve. Fans eagerly anticipate her upcoming projects, confident that she will push creative boundaries even further and deliver music that challenges, inspires, and resonates on a profound level. Kelela's dedicated fan base has created stunning tributes, from intricate fan art to heartfelt covers of her songs. These tributes highlight the deep connection between her music and her listeners, showcasing the profound impact her artistry has on people's lives. Press and critics alike have lauded Kelela's work, praising her innovative approach to R&B. Her music consistently receives high marks for pushing boundaries and redefining genres, cementing her status as a visionary artist in the contemporary music scene. In her personal quotes, Kelela offers insights into her creative process and inspiration. She speaks passionately about authenticity, vulnerability, and the importance of staying true to one's artistic vision, resonating deeply with both fans and fellow musicians. Kelela is shaping the future of music by inspiring new artists with her groundbreaking sound and fearless experimentation. Many emerging musicians cite her as a key influence, striving to emulate her originality and dedication to artistic excellence. Her concerts are unforgettable experiences, filled with electrifying performances and emotional connections with the audience. Fans often recount these moments as life-changing, highlighting Kelela's ability to create an intimate and powerful atmosphere during her live shows. Kelela's social media presence is a blend of authenticity and artistry. Through platforms like Instagram and Twitter, she connects with fans, shares behind-the-scenes glimpses, and promotes her work, creating an intimate digital space that reflects her unique aesthetic. Kelela's fashion sense is as distinctive as her music. Her bold, avant-garde style has made waves in the fashion industry, influencing trends and earning her a spot in high-profile publications. She effortlessly merges music and fashion into a cohesive statement. Interviews with Kelela offer a window into her creative process and personal journey. She candidly discusses her inspirations, challenges, and aspirations, providing fans with a deeper understanding of the woman behind the music. Each conversation is a treasure trove of insights. Fans love to speculate about hidden meanings in Kelela's music. Intriguing theories range from interpreting her lyrics to decoding her visual storytelling. These fan theories add another layer of engagement, sparking discussions and keeping her audience deeply invested in her work. For more fascinating insights and in-depth explorations of your favorite artists, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Dive into the world of music with exclusive content, expert analyses, and engaging discussions that will enrich your musical journey.